Hey guys, this is Jacques from MakuluLinux and welcome to another video. Now, today's video is not really going to be about the Windows distro, although I'm going to make a video about that probably tomorrow because there's a lot of exciting stuff there. Today's video is about our new website. So, what we've done here was we're busy revamping our website. It's not live yet, but it's going to be at some point. And right now, I want to explain what you're looking at. Because this is a web page, by the way. There we go. It's webos.makululinux.com. This is a web page. But is it? You've got desktop icons that you can select and you can drag them around. You can open something, drag it. You've got windows that you can drag and close, and minimize. You can click on the button, minimize them, maximize them, restore them, maximize them. This looks like an operating system, doesn't it? You've got a history bar on the side with some nice flashy stuff. You've got a menu over here with apps, pages, games, AI, news, system. You've got settings where you can change the color and configuration. Even the icons. Look at the icons. So you've got some icon variables that you can play with, their variations. You can change the wallpaper of the background. And then some admin settings. If you come here to apps, you've got a browser, you've got a calculator. You've got a document viewer, file explorer. You've got, let's see, you've got a live webcam. It actually works, yes. You've got a maps, yes, allow. You've got maps, it's loading. You've got a sketch pad where you can actually draw. There we go, maps loading. And you've got Sketchpad, you've got Unit Converter. You've got some really cool little apps here, browser as well, web browser, as well as you've got a document viewer, image viewer as well, live webcam. And then under pages, you've got your web pages, which is, Windows upgrade, $33 upgrade. And then live chat room, so you can chat live. So you can say a tester, and you can show public rooms and join that one's got 19 users in. There we go. Now in a public room, and can put that over there. Should be able to drag the size. No, oh yeah, this corner. So you can make it nice like that. Now you can continue to browse the website. Okay, so let me explain what this is. You can generate images here. Kitty cat generate. Oh, we didn't really set the size. That doesn't matter. There we go. Kitty cat. Can drag that bigger as well. And can save the image. Kitty cat. Next to the kitty cat, we've got the AI diagnostics. So here you can troubleshoot your PC stuff. Very cool because it's done with AI. Next to that, we got Electra. Live chat. Hello. We can chat to Electra. There we go. She chats back. Can have a fat conversation with Electra. Bubble chat. Very nice. Okay, now I've got this green here. Let's go back to the sky blue. I like the blue. Okay, so let me explain what this is. So what we've done now is we've actually designed a WebOS. MakuluLinux WebOS. It's a web-based desktop environment simulation OS. And the project explores the concept of fully web-based operating system interface built to run MakuluLinux.com. So it is our website. It's a website. Here the pages. The pages are the icons on the desktop there. Click Windows and it shows you that's a website. Literally. Opening full screen, or you can resize it to whatever. So it's a web page that's opening up as almost like a file explorer window. So this is a website. There's the history. You can open up that and you can go read about, you know, we can make it full screen as well, play the video.
So now I'm going to ask the AI.
See, there's a little, this is history. As I add more, you can scroll them, you can go through the history. These are posts. And these are links to pages. You've also got in here, you've got news as well. You've also got the AI. I showed that. You've got games. You can play some cool games here. For example, click there and then load up some games here. Let's see what game. Just load up anyone. Billiards. There we go. Play now. You can play some cool games. Firefox. Okay. Don't you? You can't run speech. Okay, yeah. It works in other browsers though, but I'm in Firefox at the moment. Anyway, some of the other games will run. Some will, some won't. The ones that need that speech won't run. Anyway, there's tons of games that you can play, pages, about us, live chat, privacy policy, terms and conditions. I mean, I'm slowly building this. So let me explain what this is. It's an operating system and a website, two in one. So it's not that's my real OS. It's not a real operating system, it's a simulated operating system. That doesn't mean that things don't function. I can open the web browser, there's the web browser, I can search things in the web browser, and I can use the web browser. It does have limitations, but it does function, right? So you've got a web browser over there, full screen. So the web browser works, the calendar works. I'm adding more and more apps as well. But as I add things, document viewer works, image viewer works. I can load. There's, you can see. You can specify or you can load from local. So I can go to local and I can go to pictures, and I can load up an image here. Select. There we go. I can load images. So the image viewer works, the document viewer works. These are all apps that are working, fully operational. Maps does work. There we go. You are here. There we go. Now it's found my location. It didn't earlier. Okay, I think Maps you can do that and then let it load. There we go. It's loading. Okay, come on. There we go. That's where I am. And you can zoom out, see the whole world. So Maps works, and I'm adding more stuff. So it's really cool because you've got a menu, right? You've got a menu, start menu. You can search as well. Plain sketchpad. So you've got a menu. You got apps. You got pinned apps. You got a zoom function here. This is pretty cool because it zooms the desktop for the guys that really don't, can't see well. You got quotes on the desktop. You got a calendar, a clock, and a calendar. And it actually works. You can set events or you can cancel events. So it's got a little calendar built in and you can go check June, August. So it's pretty cool. You've got the news, you've got the links on the website, on the desktop. So, and you've got a right click menu. You've got a terminal, by the way. You've got a terminal. Terminal connects to the AI. So you can literally just talk to the AI via the terminal, but it works and you can resize that. You can, and this is nice. The color is really nice. So you can have a fat conversation with the AI directly from the terminal. So you've got the terminal, you've got the desktop appearance settings, you've got backgrounds, and obviously you've got that shortcut to the rest of the apps. So it's like a mini OS, right? But it's also a website. How cool is this? Like, I don't think this exists, by the way. I think we are the first to do this. We are the first to turn our website into a OS. Now, remember, this is early stages. So there's really just a handful of cool little things that you can do, but I'll find more things to add. I'll find more things to, develop over time. You come back in a couple of months and you're going to have a whole string of really cool stuff to do and open and play with. I already have some ideas of putting some puzzles and cool stuff and maybe build a little virtual world. And I've got lots of ideas of things to do. This is just the start. This is just the framework. My point is, we actually, can I go, is it F11 full screen, right? There we go, F11 full screen. Just push F11. Now I'm on a website. This is a website. This is a website. but at the same time, it's an OS. How insanely cool is this? I mean, this is really cool. You guys have to admit, this is really cool. It works on a phone, it works on a tablet as well. It will resize. Now, of course, it doesn't look great on a phone because a phone is small, but a tablet it actually looks pretty nice, and on a desktop, well, it really looks nice. Anyway, so yeah, so that's my video today. I'm just showing you guys that we are working on Lindows as well, but in between when I take a break from Lindows, because that's basically done now, just a lot of polishing, and then we're going to release in a few weeks. But while taking a break from Lindows, I'm also working on other stuff, some really exciting stuff. An OS that's also a web page. Have you ever in your wildest dreams thought you would see something like this? A web page that is also an OS. Of course, naturally, we call it MakuluLinux WebOS. But this is going to be our main page when it's done. It's not live yet. Well, you can go visit it on that URL if you want to check it out. webos.makululinux.com. Right now, it's not the main page. It's just basically I've put it into a subdomains, where I can play with it, work on it, test it, and so forth, so forth, so forth, develop it slowly. But I think eventually this will replace our main OS, our main web page. I'm already calling it OS. What am I talking about? It's not an OS, it's a simulation of an OS. Eventually, it's going to replace our main website. But I'll find more things to, add here to make it cool. Most definitely, the people are going to love the image generator because these are great images. I mean, you can type anything here. You can say, yeah, a cool, funky looking pig on in the farmyard, and then landscape is fine. Let's make it Disney style. That's cool. And let's generate a pig. Cool funky looking pig. Look at there, Disney style. There's the pig. And this is 896 by 512, so this is a decent size. You can upscale it as well. We chose Disney style. If we go cosmic, I don't know what cosmic style is going to be. Oh, it automatically. Oh, I clicked save. Let's click generate cosmic. Cosmic. Oh, yeah, it will show the uh, graffiti that should be on a wall or something. Anyway, so yeah, you can already generate images. Yeah, that does look very cool. You can generate images here free of charge, unlimited. Go crazy. So that should keep people busy. You can literally just come on the site and just generate images, chat to the AI. The AI is there free of charge. You can talk to Electra, she can help you code, whatever. It's like a fully operational, very, very cool AI. And you can go full screen as well. Or you can join our live chat room. Join our live chat room. In fact, you can just keep it open here, like keep it open there. Put in your username, join, choose a channel, join the general chat. Anyway, it's very, very cool. You guys have to admit, this is super, 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 super cool. You have an OS that's also a website. Wow, just when you think you've seen it all. How very, very cool is this? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. That's actually not bad. That red is pretty cool too. Yeah, I'd say the red or the blue. Those are the two coolest. Look, the icons also. Ooh, even the highlights become red. Yeah, very, very cool. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Just wanted to show you guys that we are working on some cool stuff, not just Lindows, but some other cool stuff. Our web page is gonna look really, really cool when this is done. Huh? A web page that is an operating system. I mean, how insane is that? I don't know if the webcam will work now. Oh, hello. Yeah, yeah, there we go. There I am. See me. Hello. So you even got the webcam app is working. Live webcam app. Live maps works. Sketch works. Yeah, it all works. Pretty cool, don't you think? Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, this was a fun video. See you guys in the next one. Next one will be some Lindows love. There's a lot of new cool stuff in Lindows. Right now, we have this cool website / OS 2-in-1. Very, very cool stuff. Check it out, webos.makululinux.com. Cheers, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.